How to color grade your photos like Arcane in Lightroom. Let's find out. Step 1. Crush shadows, lift highlights. For the basic panel adjustments, Tint 15 to plus 17. Introduce a subtle magenta bias to shadows. Texture -5. Soften fine details to emulate the show's painterly. Clarity -20 to -25. Dehaze -20. Flatten midtones slightly to replicate Arcane's stylized aesthetic. Step 2. Master the tone. White, create a gentle curve. Lift the lower midtones and slightly crush blacks. Step 3. Warp colors to the Arcane palette. Here's the settings for all colors. These are not exact settings. You can change them depending on your need. Amplify warmth, mute natural tones, make neon signs glow. Step 4. Color grading panel. Shadows, magenta, hue 328, saturation 32, reflects zone's grungy, polluted undercity. Midtones, muted blue, hue 232. Saturation 35 adds a cold, technological unease. Highlights, cyan, hue 186, saturation 28, mimics futuristic skies. Done. Your photos now echo Arcane's visceral, high-stakes energy, where every shadow tells a story and every hue hums with tension. Tell us which series we'll be exploring next. Subscribe for more.